20% of 30% of x is 225. What is the value of x? Okay, so gawan lang natin ang equation ito. So, ang ibig sabihin ng 20% ay 20 over 100. Of means multiplication. So, ang gagamitin kong symbol ay yung small dot na lang. 30%, so we have 30 over 100 and then another of. So, multiplication again and then we have x. Is means equal sign and then we have 225. What is the value of x? So, just solve for x. So, let's simplify this. Cancel lang natin itong may dalawang zero sa taas. Cancel natin yan and then dalawang zero din sa baba. So, therefore, we have 2 over 1 times 3 over 100 times x equals 225. So let's simplify this. 2 times 3, we have 6. And then 1 times 100, we have 100 times x equals 225. Last step, multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 6 over 100 so that we can cancel that. So 100 over 6, both sides. Okay, so cancel 6 and then 100. So we have x is equal to, let's multiply first. 225 multiplied by 100. So that is 22,500 and then divided by 6. So let's divide manually. 22,500 divided by 6. So we have 22 divided by 6. That is 3 times 8. We have times 6. We have 18. Subtract. We have 4. Bring down 5. 45 divided by 6 is 7 times 6. We have 42. Subtract. So we have 3. Bring down 0. 30 divided by 6, we have 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So, ilagay na lang natin itong 0 dahil 0 na ito. So, therefore, the answer is 3,750, letter D. Follow for more.